something that was always taught to us, not only my parents, but even my Kumu Hula John Kaimikawa, was to always pule. To pule before we do anything. To pule before we start an event, we end the event. To pule in decisions that we make. To pule for our family. To pule for situations like this with the COVID. And it doesn't matter what religion you are. You know, it's having that pule in our na'au as Hawaiians as well. And be sensitive to the elements of nature, to be sensitive to one another. And so my hope is that we can continue to look at these situations for us to heal ourselves spiritually, emotionally, mentally, and physically.